Hello family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S kitchen. In this video I am going to show you how to make a very rich and soft Ghanaian meat pie. It's similar to Nigerian meat pie, and I'm going to show you the secret of making your meat pie so soft and so rich. So please stay with me and come to the kitchen and let's start cooking. So first, we're going to turn our stove on. So I'm using about a low medium heat, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And I'm going to use Bison for this recipe. If you don't have Bison, you can use chicken or beef or even fish as well. So please make sure you stir very well and then add a half teaspoon of salt. And I'm using garlic powder, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And make sure you stir until the meat falls apart. After that, I am going to add in a half cup of diced onion. And also I'm going to add a half cup of diced carrots. Make sure you stir really well. And then add in a half cup of diced potatoes. If you don't have potatoes, in Ghana, I believe you have sweet potatoes. You can use it as well. And after you stir, I'm gonna add in another half cup of diced bell pepper. So I'm using yellow one this time. And I'm going to add my seasoning. So I'm going to add hot pepper powder just to get a little bit taste of it. So I'm adding about half teaspoon of pepper powder and a half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And make sure you stir it very nice and then leave it on to cook for about 10 minutes. It's smelling very nice, Ankasa. It's a color, so I fine. So now I am adding in 1 teaspoon of curry powder. That is a very nice taste to your meat. If you add the curry powder, it brings really nice aroma as well. So after 10 minutes, our meat is ready. So let's get back to our flour. So I have all-purpose flour right here, and I'm going to add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. That is what we're going to use for our pie. So this is considered in Ghana to be a soft flour. So make sure that you use all-purpose flour. So no blend flour, no self-raising flour. Always use all-purpose flour. So next I'm going to add in my margarine. I have Imperial margarine, and this is 2 sticks. And I'm going to leave all the measurements in the description box below. And also I'm going to add in another margarine. It's called Minera. I'm trying to find this margarine online. I can't find it from here. So if you can't find this kind, please make sure you use the Imperial, but make sure you use about 5 sticks instead of 2. Yeah, just to replace the Minera butter or margarine. So this will help soften up the flour, and please don't add in any water. So I added 1 tablespoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix it very well. So with the secrets of making your pie very rich, make sure you do not add water to it, and add a lot of margarine, and that way it will help the dough soften up a bit. It will not be too sticky. When you make your dough and it gets too sticky, it means your pie is going to be very hard. Yeah, so just you know, so make sure that it doesn't come too sticky. It's like I say bouillon. Yeah. So next I am going to add in parchment sheet. So this one, it will be easy to pull up my pie. It will not stick under the bottom. So if you don't have this kind of sheets, make sure that you apply oil in your pan, so that way it will come up easily. Like I said, guys, the tip: do not use blend flour, self-raising flour, and water. Okay, and make sure your dough is nicely formed, and roll it, and then you can just make it any shape that you want. and after that you can apply your filling, and then you are good to go. So that is the best secret Masisi told me about making a very rich pie. Okay, so with the one that I made when I was in Ghana, I did not have all the right measurements for most of you, so I decided to recreate that recipe, so in that way you will get all the right measurements, okay, and you can make it at home. This quarantine season you will learn a lot, you know, about these recipes. And thank you so much for your time. And for those who are new to my channel, I just want to take this time to just thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and just being part with OBAAPA Kitchen. Is just amazing, and I really appreciate you all and all your support. And thank you so much for sharing my video all the time. And I don't even have the word to say right now, but thank you so much. And please, as you watch my video, keep sharing and keep subscribing, and that will motivate us to make more videos, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, so right now it seems like our pie is getting done. It's looking really rich and casa. So we have pie as a pie and a very richer, you know. So now I'm going to break in 1 egg, and I'm going to apply it on top of my pie. That way it will help the pie come out very beautiful, looking like a golden, you know, brown color, and it's going to seal up all the broken pieces on top of your pie as well. That is the secret of applying your egg. Okay, so always make sure you do it. So now it is ready. We are going to turn our stove on, and then we are going to bake our pie. And I'm say pie we be the rough. So we leftovers waiting there. I rub it straight, then you leave it in your fridge. So this is how I make my rich, soft pie. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. And thank you so much for watching. Until I see you once again, stay safe, stay blessed, and have a blessed day. And of course, I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box down below, so please feel free and check it out. And if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you once again. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.